Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get USP-S in CS2. Okay, first things first, access the loadout by opening the loadout in CS2. Then, select starting pistol by clicking on the first starting pistol. In viewing available pistols, a list of available starting pistols on the CD side will be displayed. For dragging USP-S to load out, just locate the USP-S weapon and drag it to the designated field. And lastly, for confirmation, now you can use the USP-S weapon in the starting round once you have confirmed it. And as simple as it is, you can get USP-S in CS2. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now get USP-S in CS2. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.